Alright, so we have a question on the circumference of a circle, but this is an applied question, so a real life application of it. So we have a bicycle tire has a diameter of 28 meters. What is the distance around the tire? So you know that the tire is circular, and then when you ask the distance around the circular object, you're asking for the circumference of that circular object. So this is a question with diameter, and then with diameter we know our circumference is pi times diameter. Pi times diameter, and then we are not given the value of pi, but remember what I said in our previous video, that once you're calculating the circumference or area of a circle and then you're not given the value of pi, but you have your diameter or radius given in multiples of 7, that's 7, 14, 28, 35, 49, then you just simply take your pi as 22 over 7. Alright, take your pi as 22 over 7, and that should be very easy for you to simplify. Okay, so pi is 22 over 7, and then the diameter is 28 meters. Another thing you should take note of when you're solving is the unit. Please note the unit. Don't change it to centimeter, as I've seen that in our work on the page, where many people will take a question like this and you give your answer in centimeters. Alright, so please take note. If it's in meters, your answer should be in meters. If it is centimeters, your answer should be in centimeters. Alright, so here we have 28 over 1. 7 in 7 is 1, and 7 can go in 28, and that's 4 times. Alright, okay, what do we have left upstairs here? We have 22 times 4. And 22 times 4 is 88, and that's in meters. Okay, so the distance around the tire is 88 meters. Thank you. If you have any question, please do well to drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Bye.